Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to access SharePoint in Office 365. First, go to the Office 365 login page and sign in using your Office 365 account credentials. Once logged in, locate the SharePoint app in the Office 365 app launcher or app menu. It is usually represented by the SharePoint logo, which looks like a square with an arrow pointing upward from the top. Click on the SharePoint app icon to open the SharePoint landing page. On the SharePoint landing page, you will see a list of sites that you have to access. You can explore these sites to access documents, lists, libraries, and other content stored in SharePoint. If you are looking for a specific SharePoint site, you can use the search bar at the top of the page to search for it by name. Once you have found the SharePoint site you want to access, click on it to open it. You will be able to view and interact with documents, lists, and other content stored on the site. SharePoint is a collaboration platform, so you can work with others on documents and content stored on SharePoint sites. You can share documents, co-author documents in real time, and collaborate with colleagues using features like document libraries, lists, and workflows. Depending on your permissions, you may also be able to customize and manage SharePoint sites. You can create new document libraries, lists, pages, and subsites, as well as customize site settings and permissions. If you are using SharePoint Online as part of Office 365, you can also access SharePoint directly from the SharePoint Online portal. Simply navigate to the SharePoint Online portal in your web browser and sign in with your Office 365 account credentials. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.